If you've ever wanted to suggest Pipedrive to a friend who could use a more organized sales process in their workspace while earning some awards yourself, the best way to do so is in our Pipedrive Referral program. The referral feature is for introducing others to Pipedrive. If you want to add your coworkers to your own Pipedrive company account, then you can do so by adding them as a user via the Manage Users menu. But to refer Pipedrive, head over to Invite Friends and Earn Rewards right here. You can recommend Pipedrive via email, social media, and by sending friends your referral link directly. You can also select to add your referral link to all of your outgoing email messages sent from Pipedrive just by clicking the Pipedrive email signature option found here. Now, just for being invited to try Pipedrive, the people you invite will receive an extra 2 weeks on their trial period, which means they get a total of 30 days to see how Pipedrive works. For inviting people to try Pipedrive, you'll receive a variety of rewards depending on the situation. For sharing your Pipedrive link 5 times, for example, you'll receive your choice of a Pipedrive branded coffee mug or a notebook. Yeah, baby. Next, for having 3 friends sign up for Pipedrive through your link, you'll receive a $10 credit to your Pipedrive account. That's $10, £10, €10, whatever you happen to be paying regionally, that is. Lastly, if one of your referrals actually starts paying and subscribes to Pipedrive, you'll receive a $100 credit either through PayPal or Amazon gift card. Again, that's $100 or €100 or pounds depending on where you're at. Now, to keep track of the people that you've referred, click the Your Referrals tab. This will allow you to check the status of your invites and provide information for those people you've sent out in previous versions of the referral program. If you're interested in a career with Pipedrive Referral, we suggest learning more about the Pipedrive Affiliate Program.